Hello beautiful people, welcome to another Cookbook Friday. So in today's video we'll be cooking a delicious butter chicken curry. And we'll be cooking this delicious butter chicken curry from an amazing cookbook, which happens to be my favorite cookbook at the time, which is this book, The Real Meal Revolution. I'll make sure to put a link to the book in the description box down below. So this book has amazing low carb recipes, keto recipes, low carb high fat recipes. So if you like those kind of recipes, make sure to check out this book.
So for this recipe I used heavy cream, tomato puree, chicken, butter, coriander powder, curry spices, ginger, coconut milk, garlic, turmeric powder, cumin, cayenne pepper, yogurt, salt, and parsley.
Okay, so here I have all the ingredients which I need for the chicken. I'm going to combine it and then marinate the chicken in it. Okay, so here I have my pan. I am heating it over a medium fire and my chicken is marinating. But I'm going to add butter to the wok. Okay, so now I'm going to add ginger, so it's been cooking for about a minute. I'm going to add the spices. Puree. Ooh, I hate it when it starts doing this. But yeah, but it is part of cooking tomatoes. It always splatters a lot. A whole lot. You're supposed to cook this until this reduces and you have about half of what you have at the moment. So I've been cooking this for about 10 minutes. I'm going to put it on another fire and in the meantime I'll be cooking the chicken. Okay, so here I have another pan. I'm going to put the butter in it. So I'm waiting for the butter to get nice and hot and then I'll add the chicken to it. You don't need to fully cook them through because we'll put them back in the sauce and we'll allow the chicken to really fully cook in the sauce. So all I'm trying to do is cook them lightly. I'm gonna take this off. And it has reduced quite a bit. So I'm going to add the cream and the coconut milk. That's a lot. Now I don't know if I did the right thing, if I used the right measurements. Because it's very liquidy. But I did use right measurements. And I am missing some salt. So I'm going to add some salt. And pepper. I'm going to cook this for about 5 minutes before I add the chicken. Okay, so I've been cooking it for about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and this is how it looks. I am happy with this. It looks good. I think for myself, if I would do this a second time, I would use a little bit less liquid because yeah, I'm not gonna use 8 chicken fillets. But yeah, it tastes amazing. It tastes super good. It looks good. I am happy with the end results. And here is the final result. I am super happy with this. I think this went smoothly. It's quite an easy recipe to follow. It's not that hard. You do need quite some ingredients, and it did take me some time to prep the ingredients that I needed. Apart from that, it went quite smoothly, and I really like the recipe. It tastes absolutely amazing, this curry. It goes well with the cauliflower wrap salad I made earlier. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this curry. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.